Hello everyone, I am Vivek. Welcome to my channel VT Traders. Please read out the disclaimer I have given here. In this video, we are going to understand what is Japanese candlestick. मतलब कैंडल कैसे फॉर्म होती है इन दी लाइव मार्केट, ये हम आज के वीडियो में सीखने वाले हैं. सो विल गो फर्दर हियर. So what is Japanese candlestick? We are going to see in this video. So for that purpose, we have to consider some example here. Example of supermarket. We see some experiment here, basic experiment. For example, you go to the supermarket. Okay. Basically, for example, supermarket opens at 9 a.m. in the morning and you are in the supermarket. What you have to do? You have to take the stopwatch and note down each trade or exchange done for 10 minutes. Okay. You have to record the data, or for which data? For trade or exchange occur at the counter. Record all the trades that is exchanged during this 10 minutes, which is occur in between the 10 minutes at different intervals. Okay, so we'll see here. So first data recorded here, first data recorded at 50 second, that is traded price is 100, means supermarket sold the item at a price of 100 rupees, who is a seller, and customer buy that item at the 100 rupees. So here seller and buyers are comes here, that's why this price is comes at 50 second. Okay, this is the first trade price. Okay, this is called as the first traded price. Now, so record all the data. Okay, so at 50 second 100, at 1 minute 45 second it is 103, at 2 minute 30 second it is 105, and so on. You have to record all the data, and the last data recorded at 9 minute 50 second, that is 102. Okay, 9 minute 50 second. So this is the last data recorded. Okay, now we have the data of trade price here, that is exchanges. Total 10 prices are there. Okay, and we have to plot the price versus time chart, or time versus price chart, that is called as the line chart. Okay, now, and this chart show like this. So how this chart is formed, we will see here. At 50 second, the first traded price is, first traded or open price is 100, that is 100. So this is the first traded price, that is 100. After that, some trades are occur at 1 minute 45 second, 2 minute 30 second. So gradually the price is increasing. Okay, and gradually price is decreasing. Okay, and the last traded price is, that is close price is at 9 minute 50 second is 102. Okay, 102. So how this we will form the candlestick with the help of price versus time chart, we see here. Okay, so Japanese candlestick, open price is, or first price is 100, and the close price is or last traded price is 102. So 102 is greater than, 100 is greater than 102. Okay, so this is the open price and this is the close price. So price is increasing gradually from 100 to 102, therefore it is shown in the green color. Okay, so candle shows in the green color generally. Okay, now in between how the prices are moving, we will see here. Once again, Now in this, open price is here 100, that is first trade price is 100. Okay, so we mark here 100. Then last trade price is 99, so last trade price is close as 99, so here 99. So how will we show this price versus time chart in the candlestick form? We will see here. The open price is 100 and close price is 99, which is less than the 100. So price is moving downward from the open price. So that's why the candle shows in the red color. So it is bearish candle. Okay, it is called as the bearish candle. Now once again we will see here now how the price is changing. So once again open price is 100, then here out of the all trade price 105 price is high price, 105 price is the high price. So this is the high, this is 105. Okay, so once again we mark here open price is 100, close price is 102, last trade price is 102 and high price is 100. So how we will mark here? We see here this is the 100, open price, close price 102, high price is 105 and low price is 95, low price is 95. Okay, so in this between price is moving. So this is the open price, this is the close price, and what is the highest price of 10-minute time frame? It is called as the time frame. There are number of time frame: 1 minute chart, 2 minute chart, 1 day chart. So we will here going to see the candle for 10-minute time frame. Okay, so in the 10-minute time frame the highest value is 105, so this is the high of candle, and this is the 95, which is the low of the candle. Got it? This is the called as the low of the candle. Now we will see further. Similarly, the price is moving and open price is 100, close price is 102, here high is 105, low is 95. So here we mark high as 105 and low is 95. So this type of candle will form, and this is called as the upper shadow. This is called as the upper shadow or wick. It is also called as the wick. The green color shows as body. It is called as the body of the candle, and this is called as the lower shadow, or it is called as the lower wick. Got it? This way the prices are moving, changes with respect to time and the candlestick form. Here somewhere is 101, 102, okay, then 104, then price make the high of 105, then price goes on decreasing 99, 98, 95, 95 is the low. Once again the price is moving upward at 102 and close at the 102. So it will form the bullish candle. It is called as the bullish candle because close price of the candle is higher than the open price. Okay, so this is the basic candlestick pattern. Some important points are to be noted here. Candle represent the price fluctuation. What it shows? It shows the price fluctuations or volatility in that particular time frame. वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम फ्रेम में क्या होगा? कैंडल शो करेगा फ्लक्चुएशंस और वोलेटिलिटी. The absolute change is represented by the candle of the body. We know what is the structure of candle. This is the called as the body and this is called as the wick. Okay, this is called body This is called as the shadow. Okay. So this is the absolute change in the price shown by the body of the candle. If body is green, then the absolute change is positive. Okay, that is 100 to 102. If we change the, if we take the differences, it is taken as the positive 2 positive value. Okay, if body is red, then the absolute change is taken as negative. Okay, अगर कैंडल ग्रेड है तो उसका एब्सोल्यूट चेंज कितना आएगा, निगेटिव आएगा. अगर कैंडल की बॉडी ग्रीन है तो उसका एब्सोल्यूट चेंज कैसे आएगा, पॉजिटिव आएगा. द फ्लक्चुएशंस ओवर एंड अबाउ द एब्सोल्यूट चेंज, द फ्लक्चुएशंस ओवर एंड अबाउ द एब्सोल्यूट चेंज इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द शैडो. मतलब बॉडी के ऊपर जो भी फ्लक्चुएशंस होगा प्राइस का, दैट इज फ्रॉम 102 टू 105, it is shown by, the difference is shown by 3, difference is shown by the shadow. Okay, below it is also shown by the shadow. Whatever the fluctuations below the body, it will shown by the shadows. Always wait for candle to be formed completely. मीनिंग क्या है इसका, अगर आपको ट्रेड लेना है तो सबसे पहले आपके ट्रेड सेटअप के हिसाब से वो कैंडल को कंप्लीट होने देना है, उसके बाद में आपको ट्रेड आपको लेना है. ठीक है, जो भी आपको स्टडी करना है वो करना है. ठीक है, इन बिटवीन वी कैन नॉट study properly what is high, what is low of the candle. Okay, so basically time frame means is nothing but we have taken the experiment for 10 minutes, so our time frame is 10 minutes. Some student will take the study in 5 minutes, so time frame will be the 5 minutes. For long term investment, generally investor prefer 1 week candle, 1 week chart or monthly chart. Okay, for short term 1 day chart will be seen or 1 day time frame will be taken. For intraday trading, basically 1 minute candle, 5 minute candle or 15 minute candles will be used. Okay, so this is basic of Japanese candlestick. Okay, I hope all of you understand properly. So आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अगर पसंद आया होगा तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल वीटी ट्रेडर्स को सब्सक्राइब करिए. वी प्रोवाइड द ऑनलाइन स्टॉक मार्केट ट्रेनिंग. इफ यू वांट पेड ट्रेनिंग कोर्स और फ्री ट्रेनिंग कोर्स, काइंडली कॉन्टैक्ट एट दिस नंबर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत.